Again in the Mindula Bridge at may back Malacanang in Balawan. And now we are now going to the house of our newly elected Kapitana Norma Guerrero Directo. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. Let's go. Come on. That is our Bangkok. My loving husband is there working. They're getting fuel. So it's a firewood here. That is very industrious. They are all industrious. Now we are going to the house of our loving Kapitana. Come on. Here, the house of our loving Kapitana.
The kuliglig for the suyaw. Suyaw. Our pressure and tractor.
Naririto ang kinagigiliwang kong asawa. Punong barangay ng ating barangay. Datapot hindi man siya nagmampanya nung nakarang eleksyon. Sa lahat ng dapat ng ating barangay, siya ay nanalo. Nagagalak kong ipakilala ang aking may bahay na siya't walang iba kung hindi si Ginang Directo. Oh! I am fetching water for my piglets. I want to clean the pig pen, madam. Meron pang kaunti. Marunong silang magsalita rin sa stage ng Pilipino.
Get the water out, maybe.
You carry the water. Come on.
I want that the newly weaned piglets will be very clean and vigorous so that after 6 months they will be ready for... Oh!
Mario Faith. Hello! Hello!
Tanay, siyempre, nalaing dahag ka rin na na-injeksyonan na dagita ti Bailami, na-deworming da amin dagita na pa na Domingo.
Magkapit tubig eh.
Norma has just bought that for 700 pesos.
When?
1 hour ago.
To home?
From the Obillos and...
700.
We will butcher for the hospital personnel.
Yes.